Here's how to set up dynamic watermarking in Samaro. First, click your brand logo in the top right of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. Scroll down to the Watermark preset section, then click Add Watermark. Name your preset and upload your logo. Choose where it sits on each image. Set the size and opacity, then save. Now open any gallery. Click Settings in the sidebar, then choose Media. Pick your saved preset from the drop-down. Toggle it on for viewing and on for downloads, so every image you share carries your brand. That's it. Every image in this gallery now carries your watermark.